Hello, good evening to one and all. This is Uday and you are watching your favorite channel Devoted Classes, and once more you are most welcome into Devoted Classes and present with another video, that is Transformation Part 6. So let's start. Don't go anywhere. Watch my video from the beginning to the end if you want to learn the transformation best possible way. So start. Today I am taking interchange of assertive into interrogative and interrogative into assertive sentences. Meaning we will learn today how to change an assertive sentence into interrogative sentence, and again interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Clear? So be ready and come and join with pen and paper. Come soon and join the video. Let's see. We have interchange of assertive and interrogative sentence. Firstly, this is a sentence given here. I went to school yesterday. I went to school yesterday. Firstly, you see what kind of sentence is this? Meaning, this is assertive, of course. Let me tell you in brief, what is assertive sentence? The sentence which shows merely a statement and normally remains on SVO form is known as assertive sentence. So, I went to school yesterday. I went to school yesterday. This is I is subject, went to is the verb, maybe other word or object, something like this. SVO. Clear? So have in mind, this is assertive sentence. Now you want to change into interrogative sentence. What we do? First we see the tense. I went to school yesterday. This is past indefinite. Went means second form of the verb. Went means second form of the verb go. So meaning past indefinite. Now you change into interrogative like this, something like this. I went to school yesterday. It will be, did I go to school yesterday? Did I go to school yesterday? And final question mark. This is the yes no question, interrogative yes no question sentence. Clear? But the problem is this is positive. This is positive. Now the sentence that is made, that is sent into interrogative, it must be did. So it will be, did I not go to school yesterday? Done? Did I not go to school yesterday? Very simple. See, firstly make the sentence interrogative. Then if the sentence, meaning given sentence is positive or affirmative, you change the sentence into negative. And if the sentence, given sentence is negative, you change into positive or affirmative sentence. Like this I have done here. So I went to school yesterday. Did I not go to school yesterday? Because this is positive sentence. So done. This is affirmative or positive sentence and change into interrogative. This is interrogative sentence. Done? Done. Very simple. Let me take another example. Second example. This is the first example. Second example. You are singing a song. You are singing a song. Clear? See the sentence. You are singing a song. This is you is subject, are verb, singing, verb, song, object. Meaning this is as a whole we helping verb, main verb. Yes, you. Now have to change into interrogative. So change it. What will be it? Will be something like it will be, are you singing a song? Are you singing a song? Since the sentence is positive, so negative. Are you not? Are you not singing a song. Done. I'm not singing a song. Very simple. You can do very easily. Now note down very soon. Okay. Note down. Done. Now let us take another example. Sentence is Mohan did not write a letter. Mohan did not write a letter. See, the sentence is negative. It is assertive and it is negative. Now change it. It will be Did Mohan write a letter? And finally question mark. Did Mohan write a letter? Since the sentence is only negative, so the change sentence must be what? It must be interrogative but positive. Meaning we don't use not here. Clear? Very simple. Did Mohan write a letter? Finally, don't forget to put the question mark. Clear? Let me take an example. Did he open the door? 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 Very simple. Now this is interrogative sentence. This is interrogative sentence. Is to assertive. It will be he did not open the door. He did not open the door. Very simple. This is subject. Did not open. This is verb and this object. Let's see. Since the sentence is interrogative, but there is no use of nor not. So here not is compulsory. I made the sentence negative. It became he did not open the door. Done. Final question mark. Clear? Any problem? No problem. Very easy. Now let me take an example. We have third example. Third example. Do you not read your book daily? Do you not read your book daily? Represent into what? Negative. Simply it is interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. And it will be what? It will be you read your book. You read your book daily. You read your book daily. Place the question mark finally. Since it is what? Interrogative and negative, so here I made it positive. You read your book daily. And finally police top. Sorry. Here must be police top. Very simple. Done. Very easy and very simple. You can do. Remember that. If the given sentence is affirmative, you make it. Interrogative sentence must be negative. If the given sentence is negative, the sentence must be positive. Clear? Meaning remove not. If the sentence is negative, use not in the negative sentence. If the given sentence is positive, make the changed sentence negative. If the given sentence is negative, make the change sentence positive or affirmative. Clear? Very simple. Now SW 5 sentence I am writing here. Transform as directed. First sentence, I am singing a song. Interrogative. I am T-double-R-O. Interrogative. Second, have you done your work? ये चेंज करना है आपको assertive. थर्ड सेंटेंस, are you busy? Can you do assertive? Again, fourth sentence, I am happy. Can you do interrogative? Fifth sentence, are you not lazy? Can you do what? Assertive. So these are 5 sentences you have to do as homework. Clear? I think you got my point very well. No problem. Definitely you like my videos. So all the students who are watching my videos, whether they are from RAV Public School or from St. Xavier's Institute School or any school, they are watching my videos. Just you do these questions, solve these questions and send your solutions on my just YouTube channel. In the comment box you send the answers. So that's enough for today. Hope that definitely you like my videos. So like, share, firstly subscribe my channel, then like, share and comment. Let me tell you that these videos are very important for UP, TGT, PGT English, Bihar, PGT English, Haryana, DSSB, EMRS, Central School, KVS, NVS, JNV, any school that is just related to English will help you so much in cracking any exam. So don't miss these videos. Now it's time to say goodbye. Until I make and upload other videos, keep on smiling, laughing and doing more and more practice. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye. See you. Take care.